Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma has come out in support of Meghalaya Governor Fagu Chauhan, who is scheduled to address the House in Hindi on the opening day of the budget session on February 16, saying that rules allow anybody to speak in any language provided they supply the copy of the speech in English, and that is being done. The Chief Minister was reacting to the controversy over the use of Hindi language by the Governor instead of English, one of the three official languages of the state. The Chief Minister also said that the Assembly Speaker Thomas A. Sangma has stated that he has made provisions for simultaneous translation of the Governor's address.
Will be provisions. See, we're very clear that the rules are there, and the rules allow anybody to speak, provided they provide the copy of the speech in English, and that is being done. And therefore, there is no issue. We are following the rules as per the requirement. Number one. Number two is that we have also the Speaker has informed us that he has also made provisions where either through artificial intelligence or through some kind of a translator, that there will be provisions where people will be listening to the speech in English also. So making it an issue I think is unnecessary. Wherever the situation is, many people have spoken in different languages, as I said.